all checked in. I have just gotten word that the zone that needs people in it is zone 10 back here, is only half full. So if you don't have a zone, or if you're not scanned in, don't panic. Don't panic, Zanuck. You just got to get to zone 10, scan, get your wristband, and you will get direct communication from the Guinness World Record that you were included in today's celebration. How about that? Singing that to presidents, but that was kind of nice, right?
Well, you know, you sing one song once and that's all anyone remembers.
Oh, no. Look around. You're remembered for a lot more. You know, your connection to Palm Springs is so strong. There's a lot of lore, there's a lot of truth, and we have erected a statue of you in our town.
I'm so grateful that you captured my best angle.
Now, can you believe all of this is happening for your 100th birthday?
You know, I certainly cannot, and I don't think I'd believe it if I saw it. And if you told me, I'd say 100 years ago that this would happen, I certainly wouldn't have believed it. But everyone looks just beautiful. I'm tickled pink.
Is it weird to see everyone dressed as you, Marilyn? Is this a little odd?
It's surreal, but you know, imitation is the best form of flattery.
That's correct. Now, I hate to ask people to work on their birthdays. I really do. I hate it. As a producer and a host, I hate it. But would you maybe do one or two of your signature songs for this crowd? Because they have been here for hours in the heat. They did their hair, their lips, their makeup. They got in the dress. Would we impose upon you, Miss Marilyn?
Oh, well, I wouldn't want to let them down. And, you know, I always say if I'm a star, the people made me a star. And, well, I'd do anything for my fans. So, well, I think so.
Okay, but let's make sure, I want to make sure Marilyn has the best possible. Can we test her orchestra to make sure she can hear it? Because I want this to go really well.
Yeah, let's hit it, boys.
Okay, good. Sounds good. All right.
What do you think, Marilyn? Does that sound all right? Oh, honey.
And what's the rule? Can they sing along if they so feel?
Sure, if you want to. The more the merrier. And, honey, would you mind helping me? Some like it hot, but not this hot.
Yes, ma'am. I can't say I won't be wearing it later, though. Oh. Ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between, give it up for the one and only Miss Marilyn Monroe! Wow, Miss Marilyn Monroe!
Oh, thanks, Annie.
That was fabulous.
Oh, thanks. That was from a little film some of you may know called Some Like It Hot, which feels fitting for today.
Yeah, I think we all like it hot today. That's why we live here. Now, I have to say, you were a very busy gal on your birthday. You were just with our friends at Canopy Wine Lounge.
I was. Oh, it's beautiful, and if you have time, pop by over there. It's just delicious.
It is, and then later today, you're going to be with our friends at Melvin's.
I will. They've curated a special menu with some of my favorite items. You know, I like steak with peas and potatoes. Well, no, peas and carrots, because the colors are so cheerful. And they even have champagne and potato chips that you can try dipping in the champagne. It's real crazy.
I've heard you've always loved champagne and potato chips. Is that true?
Well, certainly. What's not to like?
Oh, is that more of a Hollywood thing?
Well, I think it's here too, don't you?
Anywhere you can find champagne, I would say.
And you can find potato chips just about anywhere.
All right, so I loved that number. Did you love that number? No one delivers a soft, sensual number like Marilyn, but I was wondering,
Yes.
there is another song
Uh-huh.
that everyone loves.
Yes.
And you know, some of us did wear our diamonds today. I see that you wore some diamonds today. Oh, look at that rock.
Well, that's a good best friend right there.
Amen. Could I impose just a little longer? Would you perform Diamonds Are a Girl's Best Friend for our crowd today?
I think so, as long as y'all promise to sing along, too.
Will you sing along with Marilyn? Yeah! All right, let's give her a huge round of applause, Miss Marilyn Monroe!
The French are glad to die for love. They delight in fighting duels. But I prefer a man who lives and gives expensive jewels. A kiss on the hand may be quite continental, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. A kiss may be grand, but it won't pay the rental when you're humble flat. Oh, other but men grow cold as girls grow old, and ours their charms in the end. But sweethearts for their sake, these rocks don't lose their show. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Tiffany's, Cartier, Frost, go on, talk to me, Harry Winston, tell me all about it. There may come a time when less needs are loyal, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. There may come a time when a hard-boiled employer thinks you're awful nice, but get that ice, else no dice. He's your guiding stars are high, but when they start to descend, it's then that those louses go back to their spouses. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. I've heard of affairs strictly platonic, but diamonds are a girl's best friend. And I think affairs that you must keep platonic are better bets. If little bets get big baguettes, time goes on, and youth is gone, and you can't straighten up where you've been. But stiff back and stiff knees, you stand straight at Tiffany's. Diamonds, diamonds. I don't mean rhinestones, but diamonds are a girl's best friend.
The one and only Marilyn Monroe! Gorgeous! Oh, of course, the guy.
Michael, don't they look related?
He's filling in those zones spanner, you will not count in the Guinness World Record. Count in the Guinness World Record book. Does that make sense? I know you all know what you're doing. Uh-oh, it's the Marilyn